No!
Dunk in the ball. Dunk in the ball.
Okay? Look, there, I put the ball in.
What the fuck are you doing that for?
Because I want to. Cheater. There, I win.
Hey.
Ah!
It's making it. Idiot.
I'll take over from now.
Fucking ass, bitch, fuck! Right back at ya. Daddy!
Remember what I said this morning.
Daddy! Bucky, Nathan, Dad told me to be nice to you every day today. But then you don't do something like that, you jerk. Daddy!
So what do you have to say, Nate? You're being a jerk to him. You think it's cool? Huh?